Be careful of the strange noises coming from your home. My name is Hu Mei. One day, when I returned to my rental apartment, I suddenly heard a loud noise coming from the kitchen. Realizing something was wrong, I grabbed a golf club from the entrance and quietly approached the kitchen door, but I was frozen in place. I saw a black-faced old lady hanging from the doorframe of the upper cabinet, grinning at me in a ghostly manner while shouting and violently shaking my hand. Faced with this situation, I hesitated to approach and had no choice but to run to the living room to call the police. But at that moment, a loud crash came from the kitchen, so I hurried back to the kitchen to check. But at that moment, the kitchen was in complete disarray, and the black-faced old lady had already vanished without a trace. 2 days after the incident, I moved away from here because a depressed old lady in the neighboring apartment had hanged herself in her kitchen, and the day of the incident in my home was the day after her suicide.